In this video, we'll look at the number of protons, neutrons, electrons, and the mass number for carbon. So carbon has three primary isotopes. We'll talk more about isotopes later. But we know for carbon that carbon has an atomic number of 6. So carbon, doesn't matter what isotope it is, carbon always has an atomic number of 6. That's what identifies carbon as carbon. And the atomic number, that's just the number of protons. So we can put 6 for the protons. When we look at elements on the periodic table, they're neutral. So for carbon, we have just C. That means it doesn't have a charge. It doesn't have a plus or a minus sign after it. It's just carbon. That makes it a neutral element. And for neutral elements, the number of protons, that equals the number of electrons. And again, it doesn't matter what type of isotope you have for carbon. So that's all 6. We're left with neutrons and the mass number. If you had a sample of carbon, you had a block of carbon, most of it would have a mass number of 12. And we can see that from the periodic table. This is an average of all the isotopes based on their abundance. So most of them have a mass number of 12. That means if they have a mass number of 12, we know they have 6 protons. Then to figure the neutrons out, something plus 6 equals 12. 6 neutrons. Turns out 98.9% of carbon atoms, they have a mass number of 12, so they have 6 neutrons.